we're here in Cleveland, Ohio. We're doing boats. It's our buoyancy and density day. Students get to build a number of different kinds of boats. Our K2 students get to build a sailboat. Our other students get to build a pontoon boat or a fan boat, something that you might see in southern Louisiana. We're bringing it up here to Cleveland. They're learning about densities of water with different materials in it. We're using sugar to show them that. The students will be able to build a life vest and see if it can float a can of soup also. We're going to have a boat race when the students build their boats. We have drone cage because the Coast Guard also has a lot of aerial vehicles.
Awesome, Jim. Yeah, we're so excited about today. This is Coast Guard STEM Saturday, and what this means is we get to engage our local youth and teach them about important STEM topics like boats, buoyancy, density, right? And get them inspired, engage them, and inspired about these really critical topics, right? So that they can develop skills, right? And get excited about maybe pursuing a career in the science, technology, engineering, and math fields. Also, we want to teach them a little bit about the Coast Guard, right? What is it that the Coast Guard does for our nation, and what does it do specifically in the Great Lakes, saving lives and facilitating commerce and enforcing laws?
So for us, exposure matters. I always tell people I was an exposure kid, so when we're able to expose any of our youth to hands-on STEM learning, we are all for it. These immersive experiences opens up their mind to all types of possibilities that we probably would never have access to.
We had so much fun. It's been really awesome to watch the kids come up with their ideas and then see how they did. So, for example, making a personal flotation device on a can of chicken soup, to see them come up with their ideas and then to finally see that can of soup float, it was really awesome to see them get really excited together.
Programs like this mean so much to Cleveland Public School students. We do a lot of this in our schools already. Kids are experimenting with engineering, they're building things with 3D printers, they're doing cool stuff, but it's still not enough. We want to make sure that kids are constantly engaged with this kind of hands-on learning, and being able to do stuff on Saturdays or outside of school is super important. We want to get them while they're young, hook them, get them excited, and hopefully get them on the path to a STEM career.
This STEM Saturday is a very exciting opportunity for our young people here in the city of Cleveland. When we think about STEM learning and development, often we think very traditionally, only things that happen during the school day. A STEM Saturday opportunity like this gives our kids a chance to come do something hands-on in a fun environment with their actual families. What we know about STEM education is long-term, if we want young people not only to be engaged in STEM, but to successfully take on a STEM career, they need a safety net of caring adults who know all about it and who can support them. And what better way to get the kids and their parents excited about STEM opportunities than to present them with an opportunity like this today.
I took these two foam boards and I glued this one with hot glue, and then I glued this pipe onto it, and then the small foam has like this thingy on it, so like the wires basically like if I touch this thing.
Wait, oh my God.
Thank you.